And if you apply, there's no limit to be an impressive person. There's no limit to be a lot of excellency. Hey everyone, welcome to English with English. Thank you so much for knowing the tips, tricks, and technique to speak English confident, clear, clear, and too much effective. What I all want my channel, just hit the subscribe button and share with your friend and family. But don't forget to like my video as well. Just let's dive in content of mine of today. Today is very great content. You must know how to learn communications, how to learn good, effective, and significant conversations. How to do that? Look, we are living in the world. Every single we are meeting a lot of strange people, stranger, and we have. If you have good content and good mindset, and you have really good thought, and you want to convey somebody, you want to impress somebody, you want to make friends somebody, and you want to join their company, they want to walk, you want to talk, you want to do something else. So you know what is most important thing is that the great genuine manner you should be. How to ask them to accept in their company, to just go and enjoy their company. How to make great friend by your talking, by your conversations, by your communications, by your impressions. How to do that, you know? If you want to know how to become great friend of somebody, how to make good friend of your life, so this video is really for you, and it will help you a lot of in your life. Just let's dive in with my 4 trick. You will know what the genuine way to interact people and impress them. Shortly, if you follow, you will know how to do that. Just let's with number 1. Hey everyone, you know that if you want to just make impression of other people, so you have to do one thing first. First is first. Meet someone, say hello and hi with amazing smile. You have to smile when you are meeting somebody else, and you have to make your eye contact where you're going to do non-verbal communications. And when you will make eye contact and you will smile, people will really watch your face, how your activities, what are you doing at current time, and how kind of people you are. Nobody knows that how kind of people you are. I think that down from your neck, okay? Yeah, no. Everybody knows that from your mouth and your face, how kind of people you are. And there is 2 things: eye contact and smile. So my first tip is that make eye contact and smile while starting your conversations and while doing conversations. If you'll do these things, you can impress your opposite person, your next person so shortly, and you can become a great impressive person in their company, and they will enjoy you a lot. Hope so you will do, and you will get benefited. Now let's dive in point number 2. Everybody want goodness from their friend and from their stranger, from public, from neighbor, and from their parents. So you know what you have to do? Just compliment them something good and genuine. Give genuine compliment about their life, about their activities, about their work, and about their face, about their body. Nobody want to listen the wrong and bad bully kind of just compliment from anywhere. Everybody want good compliment from everywhere, from here, their friend, everywhere. So while doing communications, after smile, after eye contact, just make good compliment on your just friend, on your persons. When you will make good content, eye contact, and a good compliment about their work, about their everything, he will really get impressed from you. When he will get impressed from you, you can make them strong bond with that person, and you can get it whatever you want to. Just let's dive in point number 3. And you need not to be cunning with them, okay? You have to ask open-minded questions. Don't push yourselves to be shy, to be cunning, and to use any tricks with him. Don't be trickster. Everybody want open question from their life, and if you just ask simple open questions, he will get impressed from you. He will answer you. He wanna learn. He wanna listen. He wanna listen to your lips, your way of talking, your smile, your positiveness, your just positivity, your just a lot of motivations. So just ask every questions in simple way and in too much effective way. Open-minded. Be open-minded with your new friend. You will get really impressive compliment and positiveness. You can make and you can become a great friend of him. Just now here I'm gonna talk about my 4th and final point. Now you have to apply this one is as well. Okay, if you have done 3 things, so you have to do 4 things as well. Just you have to share your interest, about your interest, what you want to do and where you are interested, and what you like to do, what you don't like to do. Just everything should be so much positive about what you are going to say. If you don't find those kind of things, so to make him friend and make him friend or make her friend, you have to say an event where it was some coincidence or just something happened in your event, and you feel really fantastic, and you have to say the things which is so much obvious, which is so much spectacular. Okay, when you will say, people will listen, and your people who's next to you, he will pay really nice attention on you. To effective focus, he will say, and he will really judge you. You are kind of good conversationalist, and you are kind of good people where you can become a great friend of him, her. And so you have to say your interest in this point, after or later interest a lot, and where your interest, what you want to do, many things. You can say whatever your interest is, wherever you like it. That doesn't matter what you're gonna say, but you have to say your interest event solely. If you say your event for a while with positiveness, with compliment, with 4 things which is I have told you and which is I have guided you how you have to do that, he will she will really too much lover of your activities, too much lover of you, no matter who you are, where you come from, in which languages you are talking about, English, whatever it is. But do these things in every and each conversations, and you will get interest. This is my 4 things I do every single day. I try to do, I learn every single day, and if you do, you will really appreciate it. Just for now in this video, I'll have to say you goodbye for now. Meet in next video. I will give you some too much, I think, applicable and usable tips, tricks and techniques how to do the things in your life, and where you can get interest. You can learn English as well simultaneously, and technique as well. And if you apply, there's no limit to be an impressive person. There's no limit to be a lot of excellency. So here I have to say you, take care of yourselves, my dear friend. You are the precious persons of your life, and let's meet tomorrow in new video, in new content. And here, goodbye for now.